Good morning, children. In this video, we will talk about respiration. Respiration is a chemical reaction that happens in all living cells, including the plant cells and the animal cells. It is the way that energy is released from the glucose. There are three types of respiration: external respiration, internal respiration, and the cellular respiration. External respiration is also known as breathing, where the exchange of the gases means carbon dioxide and the oxygen, is taking place between the external environment and the human body through the nose. Internal respiration is the exchange of the gases as the air enters the lungs. Exchange of the gases taking place between the lungs and the blood. From the blood, the oxygen will enter into the cell and the carbon dioxide from the cell will go to the blood. Third is the cellular respiration. This cellular respiration, in this process, oxygen is utilized in breaking down of the food into the simpler form to release energy. As this process is taking place inside a cell, therefore they are known as cellular respiration. Mechanism of breathing involves two processes: inspiration and the expiration. In inspiration is the process of taking in of air. In this, the chest cavity or the thoracic cavity increases and air moves inside our body. In expiration, the air moves out of our body. In this, the chest cavity or the thoracic cavity decreases. As a result, the air moves out of our body. There are two types of cellular respiration: aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, in this, complete breakdown of the glucose take place in the presence of the oxygen and release carbon dioxide and the water. This occur both in plants and the animals, and along with the carbon dioxide and water, 38 ATP molecules of energy is released in the aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is also known as fermentation. In this, partial oxidation of the glucose is taking place in the absence of the oxygen. There are two types of fermentation: alcoholic fermentation and the lactic acid fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation occurs in the yeast. In this, the glucose is partially oxidized into the ethanol or the ethyl alcohol. Along with that, carbon dioxide and 2 ATP molecules of energy is released. Lactic acid fermentation. In this also, glucose is incomplete or partially oxidized and they produce lactic acid and 2 ATP molecules of energy. This lactic acid fermentation occur in the human muscle cells. During exercise, the oxygen in the muscles tissue decrease to an extent that aerobic respiration does not occur at a sufficient rate, and the muscle cells undergo anaerobic respiration and produce lactic acid, and because of the production of the lactic acid, our muscles get tired. Is it clear? Thank you.